Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lupe here from well, it's gonna be Auto Marketing Pros very, very soon. It's about to open up. This is one of my new websites, the Automotive Marketing Agency, and we'll be filing for this very soon. I'm very excited. So if you guys have seen any of my other videos, you know that I've been running Head Start Digital for the last couple of years. And one of the things that I've learned how to do very well is marketing for local and small auto companies, auto repair, um, auto glass dealerships, body shops, painless dent repair, dent companies. For some reason, they love marketing, and I've been able to connect with them very well. This is kind of how the new website looks like. This is also basically how, similarly, how the final logo is going to look for us. And I'm excited. I mean, it's a cool website. There's a lot of branding I still have to do. This is a very techy site, but we're going to be doing a lot of funnels here. We're going to be doing a live project estimation tool where you can basically choose a la carte what you want from your program, and you can purchase the program either through this website or on the phone with us, right? Once we get on a strategy session with you, understand what some of your needs are and if you need some of these services or not for your company, right? We're here to provide value and connect with you and understand what your needs are and offer you the best solutions, right? Not what you think you need, but what you actually need. So, if you guys have known me again, this has been our old website, and I mean we rank nationally on this website for auto glass SEO. I think number two right now, or number three. We used to be number one for a long time. This website for the last 2 years, we were like number one for Texas SEO. I'm not sure. We should be number one for Dallas Facebook ad agency. It's giving us a lot of leads. But even I renovated this entire website, and even then, I'm still not happy with the design, the way that it came out. I've spent a lot of time working on this, and I don't like it. It's not, the conversions aren't there. So definitely going to keep running this. You know, I love the website. There's a lot of content here. I'm still not finished with this website. There's so much information that I have to basically redo from what we had. We had redesigned this website. So definitely going to be doing something more niche specific. And I do have the auto marketing program, which is the parent program of the auto repair program, the marketing program, the dealership marketing program, and the Sell More Auto Glass program, which are going to be the three main offers that we have within the Auto Marketing Pros, right? And I love it. I love the way that it's coming out. The design is so interactive, dynamic. We're going to have a resources page with all of our ultimate marketing guides, all of our top keywords for your industry, the top 30,000 keywords for your industry that you can start targeting that actually get you sales, right? That actually get you leads, qualified leads that have money, not generic keywords, right? The ones that make you money both on advertising and on SEO. And you can see our checklist. You can get a free SEO audit all within the website, and I'm very happy to introduce our basically our CRM that we've been able to work with, where you get to log in, right? You can see your ad, basically your Google and Facebook ad and your ad analytics, basically track your conversions, your clicks, your ROI. You can build funnels, right? It's going to be really cool. You can do email marketing, text marketing, voicemail campaigns. You can do your review management. Within our program, we try to get you 100 5-star reviews. We automate the whole thing. So every time you have a new customer, they get a text, they get an email with a link asking for a good review from the business and to take a small survey. And that those are all the tools that we provide. Guys, separately, these tools can cost you up to $100. Some of these funnel builders cost over $100 a month. This is completely free. You get a free account. I'm footing the bill for that. It does cost money to run these programs, but you get it for free. And you get to use these things for the betterment of your business so that you can, of course, schedule maybe a monthly email campaign asking for customers to return. If you're doing something like auto repair, maybe send them a text or an email once every 2-3 months to get their oil change, and then that's how you get them. That's your primary offer, right? And then you get them inside your shop, and you can offer something more, right? Some more value, and that's how you get the big tickets, right? Like transmission repairs that they can make you a couple $1,000s. And for like dealerships, you can run these campaigns as well. You can build these funnels, and basically, a funnel basically is like a small website landing page. You run an ad to it, or you send it out on an email or as a link. People click on it, and you can see your offer and make a purchase for your business, right? And that's how you keep customers longer, right? You have a lifetime value for that customer. Now, real quick, guys, sorry, I'm really excited for this new site. It's all for you. I've spent a lot of money and a lot of time building these things out so that you guys can get more value. I'm really excited about the free resources tab too. You guys basically will be able to download anything that we have on there for free. Now, eventually, once we get about 30 or 40 members into the program, we're going to start doing success stories, case studies. We're going to ask you to do a video, basically reviewing the program. And if you submit a video of yourself reviewing the program, we're going to give you about 3 months free of free marketing tools, marketing work on your website, right? Free SEO, PPC management, just by turning in a review of the program. That's how much I value your business and your opinion and your time, right? So a lot of offers, guys. Things are coming. Now, let's look at this data. Let's get down to what the video is about, right? Now, if we can look here, I'm going to make this a little smaller. Make me really tiny. Oil change gets about 670,000 searches a month, right? It's a pretty difficult keyword to rank for. Auto repair gets about 246,000. Mechanics, they also get about 246,000 searches a month. Typically, I gave out a list of different automotive keywords within the automotive industry that can be used to target local customers. Auto repair shop, 60,000. Auto glass, 50,000. Transmission repair, 22,000. This is a big money keyword, right? Engine repair, 4,000. And then we start getting into very local keywords like Houston auto repair. That gets about 480 searches a month. New York dealership, 480. Phoenix oil change, 480. Well, it should have been more like oil change in Phoenix. Austin used car sales, 320. And then it goes down from there, right? LA mechanic, 210. We know people in the LA. Man, there's so many cars out there in LA. I've been to LA once, and the traffic is just insane. I've been to San Diego too, beautiful city. San Diego Auto Shop, again, at 170. Dallas, wow, I live in Dallas right now. Seems like Dallas doesn't get that much traffic. Strange. Dallas Repair Shop, 40 visitors a month. Oh, well. Now, guys, when you build your website or your marketing campaigns, now this doesn't apply for your advertising campaigns. There's ways to get around the high cost for click fees. But when you're trying to target your local market and you want to rank number one or become the authority of your city, you don't want to target generic keywords like auto repair or oil change or transmission repair. You want to target these easier keywords, right? These specific local keywords like a Miami transmission repair that gets 140 searches a month. It's only a 50% keyword difficulty to rank for, and the cost per click is $4. Now, let's say you do some basic conversion rate optimization on your website. You have a pop-up, you have a good contact form, you have a live chat box, right? The simple things that we use from our toolbox that we apply to clients just to, increase conversions another 10, 20, 30%. For every, let's say, 20 clicks, you could get, a customer or two looking for a Miami transmission repair. And the cost per click is so cheap. It's $4. So let's say you have to spend $100 to get one customer. 20, about 20 clicks to get maybe, a sale. Let's just be conservative here. You might get two, right, or three, but you're spending $100 to get a transmission repair or, a replacement, whatever, right? Those jobs start at $1,000 and it can go up to 2, 3, 4,000 or more. So your $100 investment could lead to a job that could be making you a couple of, $1,000. So I just wanted to point this out, right? Just to show you how valuable internet marketing is right now. Now, only because this keyword has a search volume of 140 doesn't mean there's only 140 people looking for this service within this local market. Now, if we come here to related keywords, we can see that the total volume for Miami transmission repair services and the different, cars there are for all the keywords that have to do with Miami and transmission repair or replacement, or the services surrounding transmission and repair in Miami, is closer to 10,000 people. So if we look at all the keywords, and now if you want a list of all the keywords for a specific service in your city, guys, don't just ask me. I'll be more than happy to look it up real quick. I can export this and send it over to you by email. It's not a hassle. It takes me 2 seconds. Now, if we can see here, gearbox repair Miami, 50 searches a month. BMW transmission repair, 15 searches a month. Let me see. AMCO. I know there's a lot of AMCO in Miami. Miami clutch transmission, 10 searches a month. Let me see. Even Spanish keywords. Talleres de transmisión in Miami. Definitely we need to do, you guys need to do a translation on your website so that when Spanish speakers are looking for your service, they can find your website as well. Let me see. Yeah. I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of, car repair in Miami. There's a lot of variations of different keywords. The total number really is about 10,000 people, right? 9,000. So don't be afraid to target local keywords. Target the main local keywords like Miami transmission repair. You might only think it has 140 search volume, but by targeting these top main local, hyper targeted keywords, you're going to start showing up for a lot of these other keywords. And that's where the big volume is, right? The many multiple small keywords, the ones where people are specifically searching for very specific things, but they're the ones that have the money, right? They're the ones that are hot leads. Those are the people you want to target. And those are the keywords that are very easy for you to rank for. It shouldn't take you more than 3 months to rank for most of these keywords, guys. So just a quick thought out there, this concept applies whether you're an auto repair, auto glass, if you're a dealership, painless dent repair, dent guys. You guys have the easiest industry to rank for. All you got to do is build the page and do some simple modifications to it. You should be on the first page within a month or two. Now, for dealerships, it's a little bit more difficult. There's a lot of link building. It's very competitive, and you're fighting with some of the best marketers in the industry, right? People who are spending thousands and millions of dollars on ads. The strategy for you is a little bit different. But for people who are in auto repair, auto glass, the smaller industry that are very local, it's really easy for you to become the authority in your industry. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Now, if you're watching this video and you have an auto company or an automotive service, I want to learn more about your business. Please reach out to me or comment down below. I want to know about your operation. How has your business survived in 2020? What kind of services are you providing? How many workers do you have? How many techs do you have? On average, how many jobs are you doing per day? And if you could, let's say you could ask for one wish, right? What would that be for your business? Would it be to double your sales? And if so, can you handle doubling your sales? Do you have enough workers or enough time on your schedule to double your workload, right? Uh, with your current operation. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up, guys. It is currently 6:30 in the morning. I just wanted to crank out this video for you and share my thoughts and my excitement for this new program. We are taking members now. So right now we're doing the strategy sessions. And just taking members, understanding your business, and seeing how we can provide those solutions for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. Again, my name is Lupe Garza. Like this video, subscribe, comment down below for any questions. Thank you.